Excited for the party?
Yes, super excited.
Excited for the party?
Yes, super excited.
Bringing a +1?
No, just flying solo.
Bringing a +1?
No, just flying solo.
What's the dress code?
Casual, no fancy attire.
What's the dress code?
Casual, no fancy attire.
Planning any surprises?
Nope, keeping it simple.
Planning any surprises?
Nope, keeping it simple.
Are decorations sorted?
Yes, all set and festive.
Are decorations sorted?
Yes, all set and festive.
Who's handling the music?
Friends got the playlist.
Who's handling the music?
Friends got the playlist.
What time does it start?
7 p.m., fashionably late.
What time does it start?
7 p.m., fashionably late.
Bringing a dish to share?
Nah, grabbing snacks on the way.
Bringing a dish to share?
Nah, grabbing snacks on the way.
Anything this time?
Nope, just a chill vibe.
Anything this time?
Nope, just a chill vibe.
Games or just chatting?
Games planned for sure.
Games or just chatting?
Games planned for sure.
Expecting a big turnout?
Yeah, quite a crowd.
Expecting a big turnout?
Yeah, quite a crowd.
Serving cocktails or mocktails?
Mocktails this time.
Serving cocktails or mocktails?
Mocktails this time.
Balloons or streamers?
Balloons for sure.
Balloons or streamers?
Balloons for sure.
Any special cake?
Regular cake, no frills.
Any special cake?
Regular cake, no frills.
Outdoor or indoor setup?
Indoor, avoiding weather surprises.
Outdoor or indoor setup?
Indoor, avoiding weather surprises.
Encouraging dance this year?
Always, dance floor ready.
Encouraging dance this year?
Always, dance floor ready.
Got your camera ready?
Yes, capturing memories.
Got your camera ready?
Yes, capturing memories.
Bringing party favors?
Nah, skipped it this time.
Bringing party favors?
Nah, skipped it this time.
Anyone giving a toast?
Hosting a toast myself.
Anyone giving a toast?
Hosting a toast myself.
Kids welcome at the party?
Yes, family-friendly vibe.
Kids welcome at the party?
Yes, family-friendly vibe.
Any new faces invited?
A few, expanding the circle.
Any new faces invited?
A few, expanding the circle.
Enjoying planning parties?
Absolutely, love it.
Enjoying planning parties?
Absolutely, love it.
DIY decorations or store-bought?
Mix of both, DIY touch.
DIY decorations or store-bought?
Mix of both, DIY touch.
Using online invites?
Yes, eco-friendly choice.
Using online invites?
Yes, eco-friendly choice.
Setting up a photo booth?
Skipped it this time.
Setting up a photo booth?
Skipped it this time.
Anything different this year?
Trying a new caterer.
Anything different this year?
Trying a new caterer.
Hiring a DJ or playlist?
Playlist, personal touch.
Hiring a DJ or playlist?
Playlist, personal touch.
Hosting at your place?
Yes, home sweet home.
Hosting at your place?
Yes, home sweet home.
Theme color for the party?
Not this time, too much effort.
Theme color for the party?
Not this time, too much effort.
Ending the night with fireworks?
No, keeping it low key.
Ending the night with fireworks?
No, keeping it low key.
Any special dietary requests?
Caterers handling that.
Any special dietary requests?
Caterers handling that.
Any after-party plans?
Just winding down at home.
Any after-party plans?
Just winding down at home.
Remembering the party etiquette?
Absolutely, always polite.
Remembering the party etiquette?
Absolutely, always polite.
Bringing board games?
Yes, for a relaxed vibe.
Bringing board games?
Yes, for a relaxed vibe.
Checking the weather forecast?
Yes, fingers crossed for good weather.
Checking the weather forecast?
Yes, fingers crossed for good weather.
Ready for a late-night snack?
Absolutely, pizza delivery planned.
Ready for a late-night snack?
Absolutely, pizza delivery planned.
Any regrets on the guest list?
Nope, everyone's welcome.
Any regrets on the guest list?
Nope, everyone's welcome.
Setting up a designated photo spot?
Skipped it, but great idea.
Setting up a designated photo spot?
Skipped it, but great idea.
Opting for a professional photographer?
No, keeping it candid.
Opting for a professional photographer?
No, keeping it candid.
Enjoying party planning stress?
Surprisingly, yes, part of the fun.
Enjoying party planning stress?
Surprisingly, yes, part of the fun.
Got the emergency contacts handy?
Yes, safety first.
Got the emergency contacts handy?
Yes, safety first.
Any post-party cleanup plan?
Hiring a service for that.
Any post-party cleanup plan?
Hiring a service for that.
Serving a signature cocktail?
Yes, a secret recipe.
Serving a signature cocktail?
Yes, a secret recipe.
Checking in with the neighbors?
Yes, being considerate.
Checking in with the neighbors?
Yes, being considerate.
Any backup plan if things go awry?
Just winging it, fingers crossed.
Any backup plan if things go awry?
Just winging it, fingers crossed.
Sharing party updates on social media?
Yes, creating a hashtag.
Sharing party updates on social media?
Yes, creating a hashtag.
Ready for the party aftermath?
Yes, with a smile and memories.
Ready for the party aftermath?
Yes, with a smile and memories.
Late night study sessions?
Yes, quite common.
Late night study sessions?
Yes, quite common.
Favorite college hangout spot?
The library, surprisingly.
Favorite college hangout spot?
The library, surprisingly.
Morning or afternoon classes?
Definitely afternoon.
Morning or afternoon classes?
Definitely afternoon.
Go to cafeteria order?
Sandwich and coffee.
Go to cafeteria order?
Sandwich and coffee.
Weekend plans during college?
Study and Netflix.
Weekend plans during college?
Study and Netflix.
Any quirky professor stories?
Too many to count.
Any quirky professor stories?
Too many to count.
Ideal study playlist?
Instrumental beats.
Ideal study playlist?
Instrumental beats.
Group project horror stories?
Endless revisions.
Group project horror stories?
Endless revisions.
Do you attend college events?
Occasionally, if interesting.
Do you attend college events?
Occasionally, if interesting.
Best campus study spot?
Under the big oak tree.
Best campus study spot?
Under the big oak tree.
Commuting or dorm life?
Commuting. Saving money.
Commuting or dorm life?
Commuting. Saving money.
Dream internship location?
Silicon Valley, perhaps.
Dream internship location?
Silicon Valley, perhaps.
Most challenging class so far?
Calculus, hands down.
Most challenging class so far?
Calculus, hands down.
Any college superstitions?
Knock on wood before exams.
Any college superstitions?
Knock on wood before exams.
Best college hack you've learned?
Power naps work wonders.
Best college hack you've learned?
Power naps work wonders.
Ever pulled an all-nighter?
Guilty as charged.
Ever pulled an all-nighter?
Guilty as charged.
Tips for surviving finals week?
Caffeine and deep breaths.
Tips for surviving finals week?
Caffeine and deep breaths.
Do you use campus gym?
Occasionally, guiltily.
Do you use campus gym?
Occasionally, guiltily.
Ever skipped a lecture?
Rarely, only if necessary.
Ever skipped a lecture?
Rarely, only if necessary.
Laptop or handwritten notes?
Laptop for efficiency.
Laptop or handwritten notes?
Laptop for efficiency.
Balancing work and studies?
Tricky but manageable.
Balancing work and studies?
Tricky but manageable.
Preferred study snack?
Trail mix and fruit.
Preferred study snack?
Trail mix and fruit.
Do you attend career fairs?
Yes, networking is key.
Do you attend career fairs?
Yes, networking is key.
Early bird or night owl?
Definitely a night owl.
Early bird or night owl?
Definitely a night owl.
Best part of college life?
Meeting diverse people.
Best part of college life?
Meeting diverse people.
Ever changed your major?
No, stuck with it.
Ever changed your major?
No, stuck with it.
Do you visit the Career Center?
Yes, for guidance.
Do you visit the Career Center?
Yes, for guidance.
Any unique campus traditions?
Midnight pancake breakfast.
Any unique campus traditions?
Midnight pancake breakfast.
Ever taken a gap year?
No, straight into college.
Ever taken a gap year?
No, straight into college.
Most interesting elective taken?
Introduction to psychology.
Most interesting elective taken?
Introduction to psychology.
Struggles with time management?
Occasionally, deadlines sneak up.
Struggles with time management?
Occasionally, deadlines sneak up.
Favorite college memory so far?
Impromptu road trip.
Favorite college memory so far?
Impromptu road trip.
Do you attend guest lectures?
Occasionally, if intriguing.
Do you attend guest lectures?
Occasionally, if intriguing.
Recommended study apps?
Quizlet and Forest.
Recommended study apps?
Quizlet and Forest.
Ever had a study buddy?
Yes, great motivation.
Ever had a study buddy?
Yes, great motivation.
Favorite professor's class?
Sociology, eye-opening.
Favorite professor's class?
Sociology, eye-opening.
Do you attend workshops?
Yes, career-related ones.
Do you attend workshops?
Yes, career-related ones.
Most challenging part of college?
Juggling multiple deadlines.
Most challenging part of college?
Juggling multiple deadlines.
Favorite campus hangout?
Coffee shop near campus.
Favorite campus hangout?
Coffee shop near campus.
Do you use the writing center?
Occasionally, for essays.
Do you use the writing center?
Occasionally, for essays.
Any campus legends or myths?
Ghost stories, mostly.
Any campus legends or myths?
Ghost stories, mostly.
Ever had a professor prank?
None yet, fingers crossed.
Ever had a professor prank?
None yet, fingers crossed.
Planning to join a fraternity/sorority?
No, not my scene.
Planning to join a fraternity/sorority?
No, not my scene.
Do you participate in research?
Yes, in a research group.
Do you participate in research?
Yes, in a research group.
Dream college graduation celebration?
Beach bonfire with friends.
Dream college graduation celebration?
Beach bonfire with friends.
Favorite campus view?
Sunset from the rooftop.
Favorite campus view?
Sunset from the rooftop.
Do you utilize the Career Services Center?
Yes, for resume reviews.
Do you utilize the Career Services Center?
Yes, for resume reviews.
Looking forward to post-college plans?
Yes, job hunting and exploring.
Looking forward to post-college plans?
Yes, job hunting and exploring.